Good morning. I'm meteorologist Carissa Sanford. It looks like another beautiful day across central Illinois. Plenty of sunshine already setting up on our Cooks Auto Body camera in Uptown Normal. In fact, today it's going to feel a lot like yesterday. Slightly cool early on, but then we're looking at that sun to help warm us up into the low to mid 80s. More of the same on Saturday, but then as we get into Sunday, we're going to start to see a bit of a warm up and the humidity will return as we get into next week. And that could bring some much different conditions than what we saw yesterday and what we'll see today. We had a high pressure system build in, and that allowed for cooler and drier air to settle. And that means a cool start to the morning this morning, but the sunshine and comfortable conditions this afternoon will warm us into the low to mid 80s. Overnight tonight, staying clear and cool with lows in the upper 50s and low 60s. And then on Saturday, we'll keep quite a bit of sunshine around, but a low pressure center in the upper levels down to our southeast is actually going to transition west into the weekend. That could filter in a few more clouds Saturday night, and it could keep them around into Sunday as well. And then likely partly cloudy into much of next week as the humidity comes back to the forecast. For today, though, very dry, very quiet, highs reaching the low to mid 80s. Overnight tonight, cool once again in the upper 50s and low 60s. We'll warm into the mid 80s with sunshine again tomorrow. Those clouds return on Sunday with highs warming into the mid to upper 80s by the time we hit early next week. And we'll stick with partly cloudy skies and highs in the upper 80s and low 90s through much of next week. We're still tracking the potential for a few afternoon storms starting on Monday and lasting us into much of next week during the afternoon and evening hours only. But it looks like for right now, most of us have a good chance at staying dry, as any storm chances will be very isolated at best.